It's not common to find a duplex for sale in Citrus Park. This one is on one of the most secluded streets, right behind both new and upcoming mega mansions. The duplex is in excellent condition with a metal roof replaced a year ago. Both units are on annual leases. 7,704A features tile floors and an updated kitchen, renting for $1,500 per month, while 7,704B rents for $1,375 per month with the lease ending on May 31, 2024. This property is a real gem and a profitable investment. The owner currently pays for water, but you could install individual meters for under $5,000 to eliminate that cost. After the current lease expires, rental prices will be increased, adding value for the new owner. This is a fantastic opportunity for investors and developers to acquire prime real estate in Citrus Park.